Alright, so for today, I have some conditions for price that I'm looking to be met. I feel as though the major draw would be London lows in this 15 minute down here. And I feel as though we're going to take probably London highs first, maybe Asia highs. And I'm looking to see a rejection to the downside, maybe CISD. Alright, I'm taking this trade here. I just got entry. Confluence for this trade, up in the 15 minute. ES pumped really high, took previous day highs. So we have a major SMT with that. Bearish order flow. All these stack lows on here, this unfilled 15 minute, these equal lows. It's pretty much seek and destroy today. We're just going up, down. I expect this to move up again after we take these. It might come down to London lows, but I don't want to be too optimistic. I got an entry off of this 2 minute IFUG. Absolutely flew through it, which is kind of scary. Almost hit my break even. Yeah, I don't expect price to come above this 5 minute up here, and I'm in 2 cons at the retrace. Okay, so the trade ended up being a loss for about, I think it was over 1,000. I went around this with 2 cons. Yeah, about $1,000 loss on that. Kind of a bit of an over leverage, but just paper trading. So the 2 minute inverse, we get a retrace, price starts coming down a little bit and then just pumps up. I'm not entirely sure why we had this move up. I don't think the trade idea is invalidated yet. It's just kind of an unlucky hit of the stop loss. Until this SMT gets invalidated, I think we still should push lower. I'm still feeling pretty bearish. This is honestly an A+ setup. I would take this any day. Sweep a previous day high on ES, plus an unfilled 15 minute below. I'm just honestly just kind of surprised that the trade failed. Going into it, I had pretty good psychology. I felt very confident in the trade. I wouldn't say I made any mistakes. We seem to just hit this 3 minute and then build more liquidity here, which is pretty strange. I could have entered here. If this one, yeah, honestly, I feel like this is a fairly good entry. 5 minute CISD. For this whole time, this 5 minute could never get closed below, and it just did here. So the retrace back in, that could be a short entry. Maybe with a stop at this high. And exact same draw on liquidity. Alright, well there's break even off the CISD entry. Yeah, it's just about a 1-to-1 at break even. And there's the 15 minute hit. Fairly annoying to watch, but it happens. I got stop rated. Sometimes it happens. It's just Friday fuckery. This week has been pretty bad. The PA has been fairly choppy. At least I know my draw on liquidity was right. At least I know my bias was right. Alright, so to be honest, something to journal is the fact that there was no CISD when I entered. There was this 5 minute this entire time that never closed below. And when I entered here on the inverse fair value gap, price just traded back up, unsponsored move down. And then once this 5 minute finally broke through, price started to deliver lower. So next time I take a trade like this, I could maybe wait for the 5 minute to be closed below. Alright, so that CISD entry ended up just hitting break even right now. It missed these equal lows by only about a few ticks, honestly, which is pretty surprising since these are 15 minute equal lows. Pretty strong draw. And the fact that these got missed by so little, wasn't even close on ES either. It's honestly just pretty surprising. I don't know, this week has been pretty bad, PA. We're right behind Thanksgiving. We also didn't have a lot of news this week, so you can't really be too surprised. Alright, yep, now it's 11 o'clock, so I'm going to be getting off the charts until PM. We still have London lows below that we never hit, so I'm going to be bearish for PM.